reflects is the racial and class biases that permeate child welfare. Does anybody seriously believe a letter like that would go out to parents in Georgetown? There's no way.
Many of you say parents who abuse the system should be held accountable, but better communication and a network of parental support could accomplish our common goal, keeping kids safe. Delia Gonzalez, WUSA 9.
Will the power of prayer stop a bullet? Will it make streets safe? Tonight, families in Northeast D.C., they turned to prayer as they met with police officers to talk about a shooting that has shaken their neighborhood.
Dear Lord, we are neighbors. We are family members. We are officers. We are workers. We are your children. And we want to be safe. Lord.
Yeah, the desperate plea there. What brought these people out on a holiday evening? It was outrage over a random bullet. It went through a woman's front door, striking her as she was sitting at her dining room table. Thankfully, she survived, but her neighbors, they are worried the next random bullet might come through their front door. With Dorian riding the coast of Florida, we are using all the resources of our Verify team to get you the facts and put what you read in context. Every year, it seems like we're reporting about another tropical storm barreling toward the Sunshine State. So we're fact-checking. Historically, has Florida been hit by hurricanes more than any other U.S. state? Our researchers went to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, who's tracked U.S. hurricane landfalls since 1851. And they found, yes, Florida is more prone to hurricanes. 40% of all U.S. hurricanes hit Florida, which is a total of 120 hurricanes, 37 of which were a Category 3 and above. And now Dorian will be the third Category 5 hurricane to hit Florida in recent history. All of this according to data from the National Hurricane Center. So yeah, we can verify Florida has been hit by more hurricanes than any other U.S. state. If you've got something you want verified, let our researchers get to the bottom of it. You can find us on Facebook or Twitter or send an email to verify@WUSA9.com. All right, let's talk about Dorian for a bit. Still stalling.
Still stalled. Very, very serious situation there in the Bahamas. And, you know, once we start to pick up northward, I can't say this word today. Northward speed? Northward? Oh my gosh, it's because of my last name, it's screwing it up. But eventually, once we start to pick up that
Don't do it to yourself, the northward speed. There you go.
The track is going to look very similar to Matthew. Okay, so if you think back to Matthew and kind of the impacts that a lot of folks saw, there was flooding all the way along the coast of the Carolinas, and even in southeastern Virginia, they had some flooding from Matthew in 2016. So the governor has issued that state of emergency so that supplies and resources are going to be available as they figure out the final path of this thing. But here's the track from the Hurricane Center, the 11 o'clock advisory. Again, the cone of uncertainty does include the Outer Banks of North Carolina and parts of eastern North Carolina. It even covers a little sliver there of Delmarva. But the effects, the winds, the storm surge and everything, that's felt well outside the center. So let's talk about what this means for us here in the DMV, okay? Let's take Futurecast out into the end of the week. We're going to look at the European model. This is showing you Wednesday. There we are in D.C., and that is Dorian, creeping very close to Jacksonville into the Georgia coastline, but just offshore. This keeps the center of the storm, Dorian, right off the coast as we look towards Thursday. Let's push things out to Thursday night, Friday timeframe, okay? This is showing it is literally right along the Outer Banks, but we're getting these winds that are coming in from the northeast, a northeast wind kicking up along our Delmarva beaches, pushing water into Norfolk and southern Virginia, and then also really heavy rains, strong winds right near the center in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Now, closer up into D.C., you see a little bit of green on the map. Could that mean we see a couple of showers around Thursday night, Friday, as Dorian passes by to our east? Yes, it could mean that. If this track shifts a little bit further east, we would not be looking at those kind of impacts. So really all is dependent on where Dorian ends up going. And this is an idea with that European model, what kind of wind gusts we'd be looking at. It'd be a breezy day in D.C., a little windy at times in southern Maryland, but Ocean City all the way down to Norfolk, that has the better chance of getting some of those wind gusts that would be tropical storm force. So what we know right now, the impacts are dependent on the final track.